Good morning. Hey, this is Rob Rosa. Hopefully, your favorite real estate broker. All right, my friends, I am here at 24 Raymond Place in Cromwell, Connecticut with Frank, and we are doing an open house. So if you'd like to come visit us today, we are going to be here until 3 p.m. Now, at the same time, though, I know some of you might not be able to make it, so I want to give you a tour. We would love to give you a tour in person if you come by here. We even have some special gifts and goodies for you. But if you can't make it, let's go through this together. And I hope you enjoy the tour, and I hope we can get through it without getting some doors locked on us, without me slipping and falling, because I know many of you like to see me having some little haphazard activities and events. Right here, as you can see, it's an actually beautiful little cozy neighborhood. Feels very private, no issues as far as I know, and it's very, very well kept. Right, and so you can see here it's a Sunday morning, and if I walk out here, I mean the landscaping is beautiful. There's a 2-car wide driveway along with a 2-car garage, and as you can see, these pavers, the sidewalk is great condition and everything's well kept. So let's walk right into the front of the home. So right from the start, you're gonna see here that you have a coat closet, and right there we have Frank.
What's going on, guys?
All right, hello, Frank. And so we walk right from the home right into the living room, and right from the start you can see how beautiful this custom fireplace is here with the brick, right? Eat-in kitchen, formal dining area, and the kitchen has the open space layout, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful, right? Plenty of natural sunlight, custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and recessed lighting. And who doesn't love an absolutely gorgeous island? Now, as we walk through the main hallway, what you're gonna see to the right here is the first bedroom. And this first bedroom faces the front of the home. The windows are in excellent condition. The lighting fixtures are beautiful. Plenty of storage closet area. And also, I mean, it could be used as a den, it could be used as a workout room, whatever might be best for you. And this leads us right to, across the hallway, to the absolutely beautiful remodeled bathroom. Now, this remodeled bathroom has gorgeous tile, brand new vanity, right? And look at how gorgeous the shower is with all tile and those shower doors, very modern, sleek, and actually brand new. So it's definitely just move-in condition. The second bedroom is beautiful, as you can see, with gleaming hardwood floors, nice lighting fixtures. Again, the home is very, very well kept. As I go to my right here, this is the main bedroom, right? Very spacious. There's me right there. Hey, how's it going? Okay. And as you can see, you get plenty of sunlight here, plenty of storage space. And again, the floors are beautiful, in great condition. Now, where I'd like to bring you right now is the lower level. And the lower level is finished, right? So we're gonna make our way down there. And I want to show you some of the nice things about it. As you can see, the stairway is absolutely beautiful. There's plenty of nice large tile down here, right? A lot of storage space and a lot of extra living area, right? So even to my left here, you do have a built-in bar, right? Or refreshment area. And to my right, a very, very nice laundry room area with an extra half a bath. Okay, so that's there for you, right? So as we walk through the home, you can see that it's very well kept, right? The owners have definitely taken a lot of pride in this home. They've actually made a lot of improvements, and we're going to actually see some additional things that they've done to the home here in the rear yard, right? And so the rear yard has a beautiful deck with Trex, right? Who doesn't love that? This lasts forever. And look at how relaxing it would be just to sit here, right, on a day like today. You're not getting wet because it's covered. But at the same time, if it was a nice sunny day and you wanted to sit out on the patio, you have a concrete patio. You have a playscape, right? Very well cut. You have central air. And then you even have fenced in yard. Okay. So my friend, until 3 p.m. today, we would love for you to stop by. I even have a copy of my book with the selling tips. If you'd like to get a copy of that, I have a copy of a magazine that I have with buyer tips. We have some water, we have some refreshments, we have some pens, we have all kinds of fun stuff here. So if you can stop by, 24 Raymond Place here in Cromwell, Connecticut. This is Rob Rosa. We'll be here till 3 o'clock with Frank. And I am hopefully your favorite real estate broker. And I'd love to see you. Please feel free to give me a call, text me, email me if you need anything, especially if you're looking for a home valuation, you're not sure, you're thinking about taking that next little step in your life, right? Maybe it's not for sure, but you want to get the momentum going. Because you see, if it's something that you want, until you get the momentum going, nothing's going to happen, right? And you deserve to be living your best life. So take that step today. Give us a call. I can meet up with you tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we can help you every step of the way. Rob Rosa signing out. God bless you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.